Alright, Christian, I think you just had to go to work. You're going to break one, ship one on this Inception. Break one, ship one. So we'll break number 9 and we'll ship number 12. Oh, no problem, straight edge. I just read that. That's cool. Here we go, Christian. Charlie Blackman. Freddie got fingered. Sam Hilliard. Josh Bell. Austin Riley, 245. Noah Syndergaard. Pete Alonso, 150. All right, and I'm going to ship you number 12. So let me know if you get anything crazy out of that, Christian. I appreciate the breaks, man. I was just checking your name. I recognize Christian's name, and I think you were ordering back in the day, too. I appreciate it, man.